Experience 15 days of wonderment sailing from New York to San Juan with Viking. Begin with 2 days in the Big Apple, exploring sites like the iconic Empire State Building and magnificent Central Park. In Bermuda, you'll have 2 relaxing days to visit the island's historic treasures, including landmarks like the picturesque UNESCO-listed town of St. George. The Isle of Antigua combines stunning coastlines and beaches, colonial attractions, plus the boutiques and cafes of its capital, St. John. Dominica is known as the Nature Isle of the Caribbean, while its capital, Rousseau, is rich in French architecture. Remnants of a colonial past are superbly preserved amidst the rainforests of St. Kitts, including Brimstone Hill Fortress National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sunny St. Martin is split between the French and the Dutch, and you'll experience the cultural influences of each as you visit the 2 capitals of Marigot and Philipsburg. Tortola in the British Virgin Islands is a paradise of secluded beaches, sweeping vistas, and picturesque natural grottos. While St. Thomas in the US Virgin Islands is known for its scenery, hiking, shopping, and one of the most beautiful waters in the Caribbean, Magens Bay. Your voyage concludes with 2 days in the Puerto Rican capital of San Juan, famous for its well-preserved old town, the imposing Fort San Cristobal, and breathtaking El Yunque rainforest.